Hi. Life's good, huh? Good girl. Should we show them around where you're running and how much fun you're having, huh? So this is the property that we are going to buy. And so there she is. We need to get some potential investors up here to see how beautiful it is. I've got 120 acres of beautiful, pristine, got electricity, got a well, I got water. There's a barn over there. You can't really see it. It goes on and on. There's also a lake. Hey, girl. This is called Floralinda. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.